SAMANTSES.
It's the semantics.
You'll find crochet tutorials.
It's the semantics.
For your favorite superheroes.
It's the semantics.
Make your awesome car and home decor.
It's the semantics.
American English doesn't have to be a bore.
It's the semantics.
With semantics, antics, and more.
It's the semantics.
Hi guys, it's Samantha Goodheart with thesemantics.com and thesemantics.etsy.com. Today I want to talk about whether or not you should offer free shipping in your shop. This has been a really big question lately since Etsy has been trying to push free shipping on us. And there's really no easy way to answer this. The truth is, it could be good and it could be bad, but it all depends on what you're selling in your shop. So, I'm sorry, I'm sick. So, you might hear me clearing my throat or my eyes might start to close or whatever, but just a heads up. Shipping has been the biggest pain in my ass since they started showing that little light bulb on Etsy where it says your shipping is too expensive, because not only does the Postal Service keep raising their prices, but you're telling me that $3.99 is too expensive when it costs about $3 to ship the item, Postal Service-wise. And then the little bubble mailers, that's right, the bubble mailers that I get are almost $1. And then I have the protective packaging for items like decals that I sell. So with $3 and then $4 and then the protective packaging, that's way more than $3.99. So how is that too expensive? But no, that's fine. So there was that, and then they have the whole offer free shipping thing to the customers, and the thing about that is they started on the Etsy search. I have another computer here, that's why I keep doing this. I have it open over here. On the Etsy search, they let you filter it so that you can search for items that only have free shipping, which really sucks if you're not offering free shipping, because all of these people who sell similar items to you will be found with the free shipping checkbox when you will not. But, you know, if your item's good enough, then maybe they'll keep searching. But if you're not looking to just burn away money, then you'll probably want to tack on the cost of the shipping to your item, which is the smart thing to do, because why wouldn't you? You're just wasting money. And if you do that, then all the people who aren't checking that free shipping box but are sorting the items from lowest to highest are finding you, or not even finding you, because you're pushed back in the results. So you have those two options. But I finally gave in, and I did use their little free tipping tool. Nope. Free shipping tool. I can't even think when I'm sick. Or ever. So if you haven't used it, the tool actually tells you that if you offer free shipping, aside from getting the little badge underneath the listing, you'll actually show up earlier in results, and it does do that. But whether or not you should offer free shipping really depends on what you're selling. Because, for example, I sell decals in my shop. That's one category, I guess. And even though I use quality vinyl, my decals are cheap because I don't like to rip my customers off. So I'm still making a profit and keeping them cheap because, again, I don't want to rip them off. So, if your item is cheap enough where you can tack on that shipping, then sure, go for it. So in that instance, I am keeping the free shipping for all of my decals. But then I also sell pills. Nope, I don't sell pills. I sell pins. So the pins cost about the same amount to ship as decals, and again, making a profit off of these, I could charge $1.50 for these. And if I tack on the cost of shipping, people are less likely to spend $5 for a little pin. But I tested it. Hi, Phoebe. And I turned on the free shipping, raised the prices, and I got one order, which is a hell of a lot less than a week before that when I was getting orders out the ass for pins. So the moral of the story is don't give in to peer pressure. You need to seriously just sit there and figure out whether or not it's going to work for your items. And it may not work for all of them. It may not work for any of them. But don't just offer free shipping because they're telling you to. Yes, you're going to rank higher in search results, but you also have to factor in the people who are, you know, sorting it from lowest to highest price. And yes. So thank you for watching Sick Me Rant. Again, depends on your items, and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.
Samantics. Oh boy. That's fun. Let's see. Let's do that one more time.